The sequence of four numbers, A1, A2, A3, and A4, is such that each number after the first is A1 minus 1 greater than the preceding number. What is the value of A1? It is a very valuable tool. Try to interpret in math terms, in algebraic terms, any description prior to the question, because that will help clarify the formulation of a solution. From this definition, what can we say? We could, in a more general way, say that in this sequence, any term equals the preceding term plus this difference here. And that is true for the second term, the third term, and for the fourth terms, it's the same root. So, according to statement 1, A2, second term, equals 15. So, if A sub 2 equals 15, according to the definition of this sequence, this second term should be the previous term, A sub 1, plus the difference, A sub 1 minus 1. And since A sub 2 is 15, then it turns out that we have a simple equation with A1 as our variable. From this, we have 2 times A sub 1 minus 1 equals 15. And solving for A sub 1, we have the value of 8. We have an answer to the question, and that answer is actually unique. Let's evaluate statement 2. A sub 4 equals 29. With the information we have in statement 2, can we determine the value of A sub 1? A sub 4 would be the preceding term, A sub 3, plus the difference, A1 minus 1. And this would be 29. But we need to realize that we can expand this term, A sub 3, by saying, according to the definition above, that A sub 3 equals A sub 2, the preceding term, plus the difference A sub 1 minus 1. So we would have that all of this represents A sub 3, plus A sub 1 minus 1, we would have 29. And still, we can continue expanding and representing this term A sub 2 as the sum of the preceding term, that is A sub 1, plus the difference A sub 1 minus 1. According to this definition we wrote initially. So we have this plus A sub 1 minus 1, and again plus A sub 1 minus 1 equals 29. Now we see that what we have here is again a linear equation with a single variable, which would be A sub 1. We can solve it. It's 4 times A sub 1 minus 3 equals 29, and from this A sub 1 equals 8 again. Statement 2 is sufficient, and the correct answer would be D.